welcome class 5 for we are technically due to some technical problem we are little bit late for starting our class as yesterday we have completed the chapter and yesterday in my video I have completed the exercise A and B question. So from the C fill in the blanks. Today we will start. Okay, so write down in your copy or in your book as well as we will do in the questions in the copy. So start to write in the book at first or fill in the blanks. Number 1 is in which particles are more closely packed in dash than in liquids. So it is solids. Then number 2 is given here on solids are generally soft or hard. It is hard. Then the third one is when we dash water it changes into ice. So when we cool water then it changes into ice. Refer to page number 32. Page number 32, question number C. As one A and B question we have completed in my video. So I am starting from C. Fill in the blanks. Okay, page number 32. Now when we in science page number 32. C is cool. Then fourth one, on cooling the matter contracts. So on cooling the matter contracts. Fifth one is the arrangement of dash decides the three states of matter. So the arrangement of molecules. And the sixth one is the change of liquid into solid state on cooling is called the change of a liquid into solid state on cooling is called freezing. Okay, write down next one or the D is a match. So number 1 cold drinks will match with B. 2 air will match with C and 3 book match with A. So match it, 1 with B, 2 number question match with C and 3 book is matched with arrangement of solid molecules, arrangement with the solid. Okay, now we will start the very short answers. Or question number E. So the answer 1 question is very short answer. What is matter made up of? So answer is very small particles. Very small particles called molecules. Molecules make matter. Very small particles called molecules make matter. Now answer 2. What is the change of solid state into liquid state on heating called? So the answer is the change of solid state into liquid state is called melting. So these two are your very short answers. Very small particles called molecules make matter, and the second answer, the change of solid state into liquid state is called melting. Okay, write fast so that we can go for the short answer questions. I am rubbing the first one, fill in the blanks and match. Short answer questions. What is a physical change? Write down. When the change occurs, in the shape, size, color, and state of matter, it is called physical change. This change is temporary, reversible, in which this change is temporary, reversible, in which no new substance forms. So write down what is a physical change. When the change occurs in the shape, size, color and state of matter, it is called physical change. This change is temporary, reversible, in which no new substance forms. Okay, write fast. Ma'am, second question. Which one? Second question तो था ही. what is a physical change is the first question, not the second question. It is the short answers. First question I have written, and the second question of very short question is what is the change of solid state into the liquid state. So it is another part. This is a very short answer. Question 1 and 2. These two answers are very short answers. One is very short answer, what is matter made up of? So the very short answer is very small particles called molecules make matter. So this is the first answer, and the very short answer 2 is the change of the solid state into liquid state is called melting. And the question was what is the change of solid state into liquid state? And short answer question, this is the first answer. What is a physical change? So I have written is when the change occurs in the shape, size, color and state of matter, it is called physical change. This change is temporary, reversible, in which no new substance form. So till now I didn't write the second question. I don't understand what about your talking. You cannot see the board. In very short answer, this is the answer. The change of solid state into liquid state is called melting. This is the very short answer. Answer 2. Question, very short answer. Question is what is the change of solid state into liquid state on heating called? So this is the answer. The change of solid state into liquid state on heating is called melting. Very, I don't understand. These two are the answers of very short answer. First question, the same question answer is given here. What is a physical change is the first question of a short answer question. That answer is it. And very short answer, what is the matter made up of? I have written here. I am not writing the questions. I have written the first answer. Very small particles called molecules make matter. This is the first answer. Very short answer, what is the change of gaseous state into the liquid state called? So gaseous state, here it is given solid state. See sir? Very short answer, what is the change of gaseous state into liquid state? And here it is given what is the change of solid state into liquid state. So I have written the answer according to my book. So maybe it is a printing mistake. Okay. If it is given what is the change of gaseous state into the liquid state, you can write the answer condensation. Okay. Okay, see the book. In my book, the question is given like this. It একটু দেখাতে পারবে বইটা? Second question টা একটু ই করো, second. According to that, I have given the answer. Okay, in my book, it is given the solid state into the liquid state. So you write this answer, and I will write the answer of your book also. What is the, show me the question. What is the change of gaseous state into the liquid state? It is called condensation. Okay, you can write, this is called condensation. When the water vapor changes into water, what is it called? It is called condensation. So the gaseous state changes into the liquid state. You can write this state is called condensation. But according to my book, the question is given solid changes into liquid state. Okay, I am writing your answer also. Okay, I'm writing the answer 3. I'm mentioning the answer 3 here as according to your book, the change of gas into liquid or the gaseous state into liquid state on cooling is called condensation. Okay. So according to your book, I have given the answer. The change of gaseous state into liquid state on cooling is called condensation. Okay. So this kind of changing is called condensation. You write according to your book, and whatever the question is given in my book, you write the both. Okay. Now we will write fast. Both the answers you write fast. So again I am dictating the answer. The change of gaseous state into liquid state on cooling is called condensation. Okay. So the change of gaseous state into liquid state on cooling is called condensation. Done? Well. Now next one, short answers. The first question is, what is a physical change? So write the answer. When the change occurs in the shape, size, color and state of matter, it is called physical change. This change is temporary, reversible, in which no new substance forms. Clear to you? Okay, now the second, one more answer we will do. One more answer I will write. Write fast, no? Everybody is writing. Write fast. So may I rub this? Very short answer. I am rubbing the very short answer only. So the B answer is, or the number 2, very short, or the short answers. 2, why does the size of substance increase on heating? So write the answer. On heating, a substance, the movement of molecules the movement of molecules increases. The movement of molecules increases and the space between them also increases. Also increases, so the substance expands so the substance expands or increases its size. So the second answer, on heating a substance, the movement of molecules increases and the space between them also increases. So the substance expands or increases its size. Okay, that's all for today, and the rest questions we will write in my next class. From third number question we will write in my next class. Okay, that's all for today. So goodbye, have a nice day.